we guide you through how to change your number in Payoneer. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Payoneer account either on the app or website, then go to the settings menu usually found on the top right corner. Click on security settings or account details depending on your version. Next, look for the phone number section and click edit or change. You'll be asked to verify your identity, so enter the verification code sent to your old number or email. If you no longer have access to it, choose the forget access or verify another way option. Follow the security prompts like answering security questions or confirming via email. Once verified, enter your new phone number carefully and double check it before saving. Then, request the verification code to your new number and input it to confirm the change. After successful verification, your new number will be linked to your Payoneer account. Make sure to log out and log back in to confirm everything is updated.